Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the essentials of the Linux command line. Whether you're just starting or looking to sharpen your skills, mastering basic commands will boost your efficiency and control over your system. Let's get started. The terminal is a powerful tool in Linux, allowing you to interact with your system using text commands. Unlike a graphical interface, the command line provides speed, automation, and flexibility. Now, let's go over some fundamental commands. Navigating the file system. pwd displays the current directory. ls lists files and directories in the current location. cd directory changes directories. Example, cd's home user documents moves to the documents folder. Managing files and folders. mkdir folder creates a new directory. Touch file creates an empty file. mv source destination moves or renames files. Example, mvfile.txt renames a file. cp source destination copies files. Example, cpfile.txt/backups copies the file to the backup folder. rmfile deletes a file. Use rm-r folder to remove a directory. Editing text files. Nano file opens a file in Nano, a simple text editor. Vim file opens a file in Vim, a more advanced editor. Cat file displays the contents of a file. These basic commands form the foundation of working efficiently in Linux. Once you're comfortable, you can explore advanced commands and scripting to further enhance your workflow. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tutorials. See you in the next one.